Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are setting up a virtual Android device on our PC or laptop. This is the official Google Emulator and it runs the latest Android 16 with official Play Store support, so you can use almost any Android app or game right on your computer, no need for a phone and no complicated tools. If you want a smooth Android experience for testing, gaming or just trying new apps, this is a great option. I'll guide you step by step through the full installation and setup, so watch till the end and follow every step carefully. Before we start, like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Android Studio. Open first website. On the page you will see the latest version available for download. Agree to the terms and start downloading the setup file. Once the download is complete, open the file. The setup window will appear. Just click Next and keep the default settings as they are. Keep both options selected and move forward. Choose a location where you want to install it. And let the installation begin. Once the installation is complete, click Next, then Finish. Open Android Studio. You'll see the main dashboard. To create an Android virtual device, select More Actions and choose Virtual Device Manager. You'll already see a ready-made virtual device available to use. If you want something custom, click the plus icon to create your own emulator. Pick a device from the list. Devices with the Play Store icon can run the Play Store without extra setup. For now, we'll use the built-in Android emulator because it works well and already supports Android 16. Click the play button and your emulator will start booting within a few seconds. The first time it boots, it might feel a bit slow. Give it a few minutes and the performance will smooth out. Now whenever you want to use it again, just open Android Studio and launch the emulator. All your apps and data will still be there. That's it, you've successfully created and set up your virtual Android device on your PC. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share your feedback in the comments section.